Science 2 lesson number 1 heredity and evolution. From this topic, next subtopic is Lamarckism. Before this, in the previous video, we have seen evidences of evolution, why evolution has taken place, the reasons for evolution. The next is Lamarckism. This word is based on the name of the scientist. The name of the scientist is Jean Baptiste Lamarck, and he was the one that who had given a few different reasons for evolution in plants and animals. According to him, what he said, that the activities that the organisms do, their habits, their activities, they give rise to evolution. And he said that plants and animals both, they undergo some changes in their lifetime because of their habits, and because of these habits some changes take place. These changes are transferred from one generation to another, and this leads to evolution. He has given a few examples. He had studied a group of animals, and he said that the habits, how they develop. For example, the first example he gave is neck of giraffe. So the neck of giraffe is very long. It's an animal with a long neck, and what he said, that initially when the species of giraffe was evolved, they did not have very long neck as we see now. Why the neck has grown long? Because this group of giraffe, if it lived in a geographical area where the trees were very tall, so these giraffe, they got habituated of eating from tall trees, and because of this they tried to reach, in order to reach the leaves and branches, they tried to stretch their head and neck more and more in the upward direction. So eventually, after a few generations, the giraffe's neck became very long. So this was the example that he gave. Second example, he said that there are some birds like ostrich and emu. They are birds, but their wings are not very developed and they cannot fly. Their wings are reduced. So what he said, that ostrich and emu must be having wings which were developed, but later on, with time and with geographical condition, changes in geographical conditions, this ostrich and emu birds did not use their wings much. They did not make more use of the wings, and so after a few generations, their wings were not developed, they were reduced. And last example he gave, that shoulders of an ironsmith. Ironsmith are people who make tools out of iron, so they have to use their muscular power, and because of this daily use of using hands and strength, they develop very strong shoulders. So this is what Jean Baptiste Lamarck wanted to explain, that whatever changes we see, these are because of the habits of animals. This is what basically he stressed upon.